Okay, here we are with my design of the spool holder. And the reason why I created this was that when I first bought my first printer, that was the 101 Hero, it didn't have a spool holder. And back then I tried printing out all kinds of different spool holders from Thingiverse or other websites, and nothing was stable enough to work. So that's why I decided to make this so that it's simple and easy for any printer to print out. So all you need to do this project is print out 4 of these, have a knife or sanding paper to get rid of the little impurities so that bits and pieces can stick together better, and some super glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all this off camera and then we'll test it out.